Right now, the man accused of making threats to shoot up the world's busiest airport is facing federal charges. Local officials say a tragedy was averted at Atlanta International Airport. Reporter Michael Yoshida has new details on what we're learning about the alleged suspect.
Billy Joe Cagle arrested Monday inside Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, accused of threatening to, quote, shoot it up.
This crisis was averted, but this individual did have a semi-automatic weapon.
Officials say family members of Cagle warned police he was armed and heading to the airport. Police say Cagle didn't have a gun on him when officers confronted him inside the terminal, but when they searched his truck parked outside, they did find an AR-15 assault rifle.
There were 27 rounds that could have been fired from this weapon inside the airport. We're here today briefing you on a success and not a tragedy because a family saw something and said something.
Atlanta's mayor said Cagle had mental health challenges. A friend says he spoke with Cagle on Sunday because he was concerned about some of his recent social media posts.
You know, people go through things and people deal with them differently, and unfortunately Billy, may have made a bad decision here.
Atlanta's International Airport is the busiest airport in the world, with more than 108 million people flying through in 2024. Police say Cagle seemed very interested in the TSA check-in area, which was heavily crowded at the time.
There's always going to be soft, more exposed areas of an airport as you go to the hardened part, which is, of course, the TSA line. That area is going to be the most congested because people are going from free flow to secure flow. And there's always going to be a buildup, and that's always been a worry.